Welcome to JB side lecture on Android Studio. In the previous lecture, I discussed detail about the spinner and its uses. Today, you will learn how to attach or embed a video on your mobile app. Let's say the practical how to add a video. First, we go to the design part of the screen, and inside the screen, we first remove the default text from the design part, and just go to the design and drag a very view. The very view is then inside the widget there is a very view. You just drag it, and after that separate it with both show in code and design at the same screen, and they set it according to your need. And if you want to change the layout to relative layout, and after that we want to set the very view according to our need, and click on it and drag it in the upper part. As you will drag it, it will automatically change the layout width, and after that drag it at the both end, and this is the very view just we have dragged from the design portion. And after that we go to the main activity.java, and inside the main activity.java we make a variable for our very view and give it a name as a video play. After that we want to cast the video view inside our on create method, play, and after that find it by its id. Inside the R class there is id of video. I think the id of video is video. And remember that if you want to add a music, either it's video or video, you should add you should add a folder inside your res resource folder. Right click on it, new Android, select the Android resource directory, give a name it, select the name raw, click OK. And for the impose video inside the raw folder, just right click on it, and from there select the show in Explorer. Inside the Explorer you just select the video. I copy paste the video inside my desktop side. I want to copy it. I just paste inside the raw folder. Okay, here you see the video inside your raw folder. Now I want to set a video path. Where is the video? So video player dot set path. I want to set a video path inside the video path inside Android. Resource. Now get a package name. After that, now find the video. Where is it? Inside the R we have a raw folder, and inside the raw folder we give a name for the video is Facebook dot Facebook. Here you see the video. So video dot start. It's very easy. We don't do anymore. We just take a video view and set it according to our need, and come into the main activity.java. Inside the main activity.java we make a variable for a video view, and after that we cast it and set a path for the video. Where is it? And one more did there, it's just we make a raw. Inside the raw folder we just paste the video. Now we are going to run our project. You see our project has been run successfully, install successfully, finished, and the video will be played here. Yes, you are. Yeah, it's good. The media player actually shows the line the video is moved on from in a sequence from 0 to up to so on as the video would have. Now we want to set a media controller. Media controller. Media controller and make a object for media controller as the and we want to make media controller and we want to make a media controller in this area, and after that we want to set in media controller set media controller, and inside the media controller we call the object of media controller, and after that we want set it and set dot anchor wave. Inside the anchor we display the value flag. These are, now we want to add two buttons. One will play the video when we click on the button, the video will play, and after that the second button we have the stop or pause button. It means that when we click on the pause button it will stop the video at the same area, and after that we click on the play button, the video will go in the sequence, not will start in the previous part. We want to drag two button, drag, go to the command and drag a button, and also drag one more button. Give name and a design according to your need. We just give it name play. Our first button should play, and we carry it below the ID of our video view, and give a little bit margin top 20 dp, and after we want to give a margin left of our button, it should be 50 dp. Is enough, and give size for a button. Size text should be 20 sp, 25 sp is good. Find the same process on the next button. uh, Below the ID of video view, and then give margin top to as we have given the previous button 20 is good, and after that we want to give the text size for the button will be 25. Start of layout to right of ID button 1, and also give margin left should be 20 or 30 dp is good, and also give a background color, and if we want to give the background color, and for white is already present, we want to select a color from there, select this color, and give color for font. It's good. Apply the same property for the play button. Background color give the same color, select blue one, and also give text color. Change the name button to first. Now we will go to the main activity.java and make a variable for our buttons. One is btn play, second one should be btn pause. After that we want to cast button inside our non-create method btn play, find it by its id inside the button, and the second we also have button first, find view by id is inside r.id. Button 2, I think. Let we want to make a method for the play button, public void play video. Inside the play video, when we click on the btn play button and set here on click listener, inside on click, just we cut this code from there and paste inside your function. And don't forget to call the method inside your own create method. Now we are going to make another function for the pause button. It should be public void first video. Do the same activity btn first dot set on click listener, inside on click listener we want to create on click and a video play dot pause. Call the function inside your on create method. First function I think almost is complete. Now we are going to run our project again. Our project has been run successfully. As you see, we have two buttons. One is play and the second is pause. When we click on the play button, the video will display inside the black screen. And when we pause on the button, and at the same area, and after that we will see the media controller at the bottom of the screen. Just we are going to click on the play button. If we click on the play button, the video will play. Here you are looking. Oh, this is great. When we click on the pause button, the video will stop. And here we have media controller. When we click on the media controller, the video will replay. And when we click on the pause button, the video will. Thank you for watching this tutorial. In this